So this is the first example of photoelectric effect. In this example, they have given the plot between stopping potential. So this is stopping potential versus frequency. Frequency is in 10 raised to power 14 hertz multiple. So first they are asking what is H by E ratio. Okay. Now we have already discussed that slope, or let's say this angle is theta. So slope of this line, that is tan theta, gives us the value of H by E, or H by E is basically slope of potential, stopping potential and frequency curve. Okay. So from this triangle, tan theta will be perpendicular by base. So this length is 1.656, and from here to here the distance is 4. Okay. But it is in 10 raised to power 14 hertz, so that is 10 raised to power 14. Okay. So tan theta will be perpendicular 1.656 divided by base, that is 4 into 10 raised to power 14. So just solve this value, and that then you will get the slope, and we know slope is equals to H by E, so we have got the value of H by E. Next is work function. Okay. Let's say we have attached a battery here, and radiation was falling on this surface. So this was your positive side, this was negative side. An electron came out with a certain velocity and it started moving. To stop this electron to reach cathode, we apply stopping potential. Okay. But if electron comes out with zero velocity, if velocity of electron which is coming out is zero, we won't require any stopping potential, because electron will not be able to reach the cathode because its velocity is zero. Okay. Now let's say the energy supplied is E, and when electron comes out with zero velocity, means all the energy gets consumed in work function. Now at this point, take this point at 1. Here it is given that stopping potential is 0. Means when stopping potential is 0, all the energy is getting converted into work function. So work function will be H mu naught, and they have given the value of frequency corresponding to this point as 1. So substitute the value of Planck's constant and this one. So you just have to substitute the values. Okay, but we don't know the value of H. One thing you can do, H by E value we have found already. Then you have to multiply the value of charge of electron to calculate the value of H. Okay. So just substitute the values 6.624 into 10 raised to power minus 34, that's Planck constant, into mu naught frequency, that is 1 into 10 raised to power 14. So we are getting this thing. So that will be your work function. Thank you.